Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. PureHealth got listed today and we saw some huge volumes with volatility in this stock. Opening was at 5.50 and within first hour itself we saw a variation of 1 dirhams. It hit a high of 6.00, low was at 5.05, so we can see the difference of 1 dirhams within first hour itself. More than 39 million shares exchanged hands today. The best part is we did not see too much of selling pressure. Right after opening it hit 6.00 and then in next 30 minutes it touched 5.05, not much of selling pressure, and from here we saw nicely PureHealth recovering and hitting 5.70 again. Usually what happens if a IPO is oversubscribed? Right at the time of listing itself we see selling pressure like we saw in DTC, that is Dubai Taxi Company. But here this was not the case. We saw nice recovery coming in on the same day of listing itself, that is today. For now, if we look at the price action, it's promising. We can see closing is at 5.74. For now it's looking positive. We can see it has spent some time right near 5.50 and then during the last 1 hour we saw buying coming in, although volumes were little less at the time of close, but still it's looking very positive. If you're planning to add more quantities or if you're planning for a fresh entry, then wait for a candle closing above this zone, that is 5.80. That is a resistance for now. We can see it moved up, but we are waiting for a correction. In case tomorrow if it does not correct itself, then it has to spend some time right near the resistance area, that is 5.75 to 5.80. And then when it breaks to the upside, this will be a confirmation that this stock is now ready to go up. Keep your targets open since this is a new listing. For the first 3 days, there are no limits on upside or to the downside, so it can travel easily on the both sides. Talking about support, 5.50 is good support zone. And if we don't see buying here, then it can even come down till about 5.30 area. In case if this is also broken, then this stock will turn bearish till the time we see bullish momentum again. But overall, looking at the current price action, this stock is looking very positive. There are very good chances it can continue its upside momentum. So tomorrow, in case if it opens with a gap down, that is below 5.74, then I think it will go sideways. If it opens with a gap up or a flat opening, then there are good chances it will move to the upside. Stop losses should be placed below 5.50. Keep your targets open as this is a new listing and it's starting a fresh trend. So let's take maximum benefit out of this stock. That's it guys, this was the update on PureHealth. If you liked and understood this analysis, then please do not forget to show your support. Hit the like button, subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.